Crochet sunflower coasters are a charming and functional addition to any home decor. These delightful coasters feature a vibrant sunflower design, perfect for adding a touch of warmth to your table setting. Ideal for both beginners and experienced crafters, the pattern typically include easy to follow instructions and step-by-step photographs. Made with simple stitches like double crochet and slip stitch, these coasters are quick to create and make wonderful grips. Whether you are enjoying a cup of coffee or hosting a gathering, these sunflower coasters will brighten up your space, protect your surfaces in style. Crochet sunflower coasters are delightful way to bring a touch of nature indoors. These coasters showcase a beautiful sunflower design, making them perfect brightening up any table or countertop, making them ideal for personal use or as thoughtful gifts for friends and family.